You okay, Mama? Oh, Lord. Do it again, Mama.
Wasn't that gonna happen to you over there? Yeah. You got stuff on your hair. Get it off! She's like, ew, ew. Oh, wait, come here. Wait, whoa. Go to your brain. Maybe it'll keep you balanced. I'll leave it there. Thank you, I needed some. This is not mine. It's not mine either.
Just leave it there. Put it on the other chair.